Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely grab your attention. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn a small investment of just $100 into a whopping $10,000 in just 1 week?
Well, get ready because we're about to unveil the secrets of going from zero to crypto hero.
I'm your host and let's dive right into it. Before we begin, let's clarify that investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, and there are no guarantees of huge returns within such a short period. What we'll discuss today is a hypothetical scenario for educational purposes only. Remember, the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and it's essential to do thorough research and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Educate yourself.
Knowledge is power in the world of cryptocurrencies.
Take the time to understand the fundamentals of blockchain technology, different cryptocurrencies, and how the market functions.
You can start by reading white papers, following reputable crypto news sources, and joining online communities to gain insights from experienced traders.
Step 2. Choose the right cryptocurrency. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available, selecting the right one for your investment strategy is crucial.
Look for projects with a solid foundation, active development teams, and a clear roadmap.
Remember to analyze the market trends, evaluate the potential risks, and consider factors like liquidity, market capitalization, and trading volume before making a decision. Step 3. Set up a secure wallet and exchange account. Security is of paramount importance in the crypto world. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange and create an account. Research different types of wallets, such as hardware wallets or software wallets, and select the one that suits your needs. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your private keys secure. Step 4. Start small and diversify. Now that you're ready to invest, remember the golden rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small amount, like our hypothetical $100, and diversify your investment across multiple cryptocurrencies. This strategy helps mitigate risks and increases your chances of finding a hidden gem. Step 5. Monitor the market and stay updated. Cryptocurrency markets can fluctuate rapidly, so keeping an eye on market trends and staying updated is crucial. Utilize technical analysis tools and indicators to identify potential buying or selling opportunities. Be patient, as the crypto market can experience both ups and downs. Don't let emotions guide your decisions. Base them on careful analysis and research. Step 6. Learn from your experiences. As you navigate the crypto market, you will gain valuable experience. Keep track of your investments, learn from both successes and failures, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is a continuous learning process, and staying curious and open-minded will help you improve your trading skills over time. Step 7. Risk management and taking profits. As your investment grows, it's important to implement risk management strategies. Consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant losses. Additionally, as you achieve profit milestones, consider taking some profits off the table to secure your gains. Balancing risk and reward is essential for long-term success. Step 8. Keep learning and evolving. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and it evolves rapidly. Stay updated with the latest industry news, technological advancements, and regulatory changes. Join crypto conferences, webinars, and workshops to expand your knowledge and network with like-minded individuals. Remember, the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Step 9. Patience and long-term thinking. Building wealth through cryptocurrencies takes time and patience. Avoid the temptation of chasing quick gains and focus on long-term growth. Keep in mind that the market can be unpredictable, and short-term fluctuations are part of the journey. Stay committed to your investment strategy and remain optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies. Step 10. Celebrate milestones and enjoy the journey. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. When you hit milestones, whether it's reaching $1,000 or $10,000, take a moment to appreciate your progress. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is not just about the money. It's about being part of a revolutionary technology and embracing the opportunities it offers. Conclusion. And there you have it, aspiring crypto heroes. Turning $100 into $10,000 in 1 week is an ambitious goal, but with proper education, research, and a disciplined approach, it's possible to achieve significant growth in the cryptocurrency market. Just remember to invest responsibly, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrencies and investing. And as always, do your own research, consult with professionals, and make well-informed decisions.